If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Kraken, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that your bank or card issuer allows transactions with cryptocurrency exchanges. Step 2. Verify account information. Make sure that all your account information on Kraken is accurate and up to date. This includes your name, address, and any verification documents that may be required. Step 3. Contact your bank. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Use an alternative payment method. If the issue persists, consider using a different payment method. Kraken supports various options, including bank transfers and different credit or debit cards. Step 5. Reach out to Kraken support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Kraken's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help troubleshoot any account-related problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the payment decline issues on Kraken. If problems continue, staying in touch with customer support is crucial for timely resolution.